Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 6 single crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 single crochets in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1 and now make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the size which you need. Make it around 3 to 3.5 inches. Once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. You will be working in continuous rounds. This is how it will look. Now join your yarn in the second row, this one. Chain 2 and make 5 double crochets in the stitch. One slip stitch in the same stitch and weave off your yarn. Repeat the same for this side too in the stitch. Weave off this yarn ends. This is how it will look. Now you can use different colors to make different animals and use a yarn needle to sew in the features. Use a black one for the eyes and red one for the mouth. You can also use googly eyes. I used fabric glue to stick them. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.